How to set up tasks. In this video, we'll explore the Tasks category within the organization settings of the Setup module. Let's start by understanding what a task is in ChildFriendly and its purpose. Tasks are designed to track specific activities that staff perform daily, which is essential for payroll or obtaining grants for hours spent on particular tasks. For example, a childcare educator might spend a significant part of the day directly with children and other parts preparing or cleaning. Tracking these tasks accurately helps in logging hours to understand the time spent on each activity. You can add any tasks you wish to monitor here. This tracking becomes crucial when applying for grants tied to the hours spent on specific tasks, or if you have varying pay rates for different activities, like childcare versus cleaning or transportation. To add a task, click the plus sign and enter the task name. Editing a task is straightforward. Just click on it and make the necessary changes, or you can delete it using the menu options. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready and equipped to manage your tasks efficiently.